If you're traveling, safety and peace of mind matter just as much as your itinerary. In this video, we'll reveal the best lock for hotel room door to help you sleep better, wherever your adventures take you. Number 1. AceMining Hotel Room Door Lock. The AceMining Hotel Room Door Lock is a highly dependable portable security solution designed for travelers, renters, and anyone living alone who wants extra privacy and peace of mind. This lock provides an additional layer of protection by physically blocking unauthorized entry, even if someone on the outside has a working key. It's an excellent companion for hotel stays, Airbnbs, dorm rooms, and short-term rentals where you might not fully trust the door's existing locking mechanism. Crafted from durable stainless steel and covered with rugged ABS plastic, the AceMining lock is made to withstand significant pressure without damaging doors or surrounding surfaces. The installation process is wonderfully simple and can be completed in mere seconds without the need for tools, making it especially useful in emergency situations or poorly lit environments. To secure the door, you just insert the metal piece into the lock's strike plate, close the door, and attach the red handle groove to the stud on the metal plate. This setup ensures that no one from the outside can open the door, regardless of whether they have a key. The lock's versatility is another notable feature. It comes with 2 hole sizes to fit different types of door locks, broadening its usefulness in various settings. Its compact, lightweight design means you can easily store it in your handbag, backpack, or pocket without hassle. Users appreciate how much safer they feel while using this product, especially when traveling solo or staying in unfamiliar locations. Beyond personal travel, it's also handy for preventing pets from escaping or stopping children from opening doors to strangers. Number 2. Mimiracle Hotel Room Door Lock. The Mimiracle Hotel Room Door Lock is an excellent portable security device designed for individuals who prioritize safety and peace of mind while traveling or living alone. It's especially ideal for those staying in hotels, dormitories, or short-term rental properties where existing security might be questionable. This heavy-duty door stopper is crafted from premium zinc alloy, known for its impressive hardness, tensile strength, and long-term durability. The design incorporates a high-strength metal structure that effectively guides physical force down to the floor, reinforcing the door against forced entry attempts. One of its most thoughtful features is its harmless installation approach. The surface that contacts the door is lined with soft sponge to prevent scratching, while the section that touches the floor is made of plastic to avoid marking or damaging surfaces. The installation process is fast, tool-free, and easy enough to manage in seconds, making it a valuable resource in emergency situations. Its compact, travel-friendly design ensures it fits conveniently into any handbag, backpack, or suitcase, making it easy to carry wherever you go. The lock is suitable for most inward-opening doors with a bottom gap between 0.2 to 2 inches, adding versatility for use in various environments such as hotels, rental homes, and dormitories. Beyond its primary security function, it's a practical choice for keeping children safe by preventing them from accidentally opening doors or stopping pets from escaping. Number 3. DoorJammer Hotel Room Door Lock. The DoorJammer Hotel Room Door Lock stands out as an award-winning, patented travel security device designed to provide instant, industrial-strength protection against unauthorized entry. Especially useful for travelers, renters, and parents, this lock offers an easy, tool-free installation process that requires just seconds to set up. It's compatible with in-swing doors that have a vertical clearance of 0.25 to 1.5 inches and includes a 3-size spacer keyring set to ensure a snug fit on doors with varying bottom gaps. Constructed from robust, high-quality materials, the DoorJammer is engineered to anchor itself firmly against the floor while resisting considerable force. A twist screw tightens the unit beneath the door handle, creating a highly effective barrier that reinforces the door's resistance to external pressure. One of its key advantages is its patented quick-release system, which allows users to swiftly remove the device in emergencies by pulling it upward, a crucial feature in scenarios where speed and safety matter most. Weighing only 227 grams and measuring a compact 4.5 by 3.5 inches, the DoorJammer is easy to transport in a suitcase, backpack, or handbag. It even includes a neoprene extension foot to improve stability on thick carpets, making it adaptable for various flooring surfaces. Suitable for doors weighing up to 100 pounds, it's a reliable choice for hotel rooms, dormitories, apartments, and even interior doors at home. Customers frequently commend its sturdy construction, ease of installation, and the significant increase in personal security it delivers while traveling or staying in unfamiliar locations. Number 4. Vase Front Door Smart Lock. Though typically marketed for home and apartment use, the Vase Front Door Smart Lock offers a feature-packed, high-tech security solution that could suit extended stays in rental properties or apartments. This smart lock integrates 7 different access options, including fingerprint, mobile app, web portal, fobs, digital codes, EKIs, and a traditional mechanical key. Such versatility makes it an ideal choice for managing multiple users or granting temporary access to house sitters, guests, or property managers. The Vase Smart Locks app and web portal control features let users remotely generate codes, view access logs, manage users, and unlock the door from virtually anywhere. The device supports up to 50 stored fingerprints and over 250 user codes, allowing comprehensive access control. Added security features include an anti-peeping touchscreen keypad, auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, passage mode, and a low battery alert, ensuring reliable performance and protection. While it requires installation on a door, this lock's intelligent design provides enhanced convenience and peace of mind, particularly for longer-term stays or managed short-term rentals. It can be integrated with the Vase G2 gateway, sold separately, enabling smart home functions such as voice control via Alexa and Google Home, real-time status monitoring, and remote access. Many users appreciate the responsive app interface, ease of access management, and ability to share one-time or recurring access codes. The lock's solid, weather-resistant build ensures it can withstand various environmental conditions. Number 5. Addalock Hotel Room Door Lock. The Addalock Hotel Room Door Lock is widely recognized as one of the original and most trusted travel security devices for personal protection and privacy. Ideal for frequent travelers, students, renters, and families, this portable lock offers an easy, tool-free way to secure any inward-swinging hinged door, regardless of whether the existing lock bolt fits perfectly. Installation takes just seconds. Insert the metal portion into the strike plate, close the door, and secure the latch to prevent it from being opened from the outside. Its simple design and sturdy construction make it a favorite for adding instant security to hotel rooms, dormitories, airbnbs, or private spaces. Crafted from durable metal and engraved with the official Addalock logo, this device ensures reliable performance, while its compact, lightweight build allows it to be easily stored in a handbag, backpack, or travel pouch. The Addalock effectively blocks unwanted intrusions, even if an intruder has a key, making it invaluable for solo travelers, families with children, or anyone seeking to reinforce temporary living spaces. A company with over 20 years of experience in security accessories, the Addalock has built a strong reputation for reliability and peace of mind. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.